Wait till I get my money right.
Hello down there, peasants.
I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I awoke, I spent that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second.
This is my car.
To whom much is given, much is tested. Get arrested, guess until he get the message.
That's when we'll get him fucking ragging it.
Under more scrutiny, and what I do, act more stupidly.
So we've just come down to the front of Real Paddle, and in a few minutes the car's going to be getting rolled off the back of the truck. The Brabus G63 4x4, the new whip. I cannot wait to see it, test drive it, and have a bash. So stay tuned. This card that I've just won is about 11 grand. Of course I cleaned up.
Oh my God, what
Yep.
the?
Right.
You've got a
BRB.
Brabus here.
Oh my God, guys.
Haha, look at my new whip. Fucking look at the size of it. Look at this.
Inevitable.
I didn't even see this.
50 boxes are
BM.
You took 25 at the start. Yeah.
That is a tank.
I'm so calm.
Right, you're at the curb, mate. Chill out.
Holy shit. Oh, mate. Get in. You actually look quite small in this car. How's it feel?
Gangster.
Hello?
Hello down there, peasants.
You're a fucking ladder for that?
Wow.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
That's when we'll get him fucking ragging it. This is a beast.
It's crazy, huh?
Yeah. I did, bro. Okay.
Get on.
Is the black one for sale?
This I buy also now.
How much?
Netto brutto, because this is for the company or private.
Yeah, for private. For me again. Oh, it's green.
They put the PPF black mat.
Nice.
You can change them, you know, but this is new performance, new.
Nice.
It's 605 PS, bro. This is crazy car.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to give him like 5 minutes to, you know.
Okay, that's my brain stimulated enough. Fucking hell, I broke my leg.
Yeah, I know. I dislocated my toe.
You can put this, you know, like extra one.
Ah, okay. And you can do the lights on the front too, yeah? I'm buying Pokémon cards at the same time, sorry.
No?
Yeah.
Really? You're crazy. I
Yeah. So basically you buy like random boxes and it's just anything, so they're quite expensive.
Really?
Yeah.
Crazy.
I spent about 50 grand on Pokémon cards tonight.
Yes?
But it's all part of the game. It's all part of the game. It's all part of the game. Oh shit, my fucking can't see, babe. What's that? Wow.
Are we in an airplane?
I feel like I'm gonna hit something. Drive like a little pussy in this.
You need to get the...
Yeah, you got to be a gangster in this part. You got fucking.
Your perception of space is going to be miles off because we're technically...
We're in a fucking Jeep.
Okay. What ramps?
Fuck 'em! Get up over it, Chavi!
You can't even feel...
Oh, that's nice.
Barely. Jesus. This is so comfy.
This is my car! Fucking get out of the way, cunt! Small!
Jesus, it takes getting used to.
It will, it's...
Jesus.
That's naughty. Wow.
Oh, this car. Fucking unbelievable.
And they go like 220, 230, 250 like tank, bro, you know, like.
Wow.
How much does this weigh?
3 tons. You don't need to, because if you stay outside, bro, this is like.
Yeah. Fucking hell.
It's fun, eh?
Yeah, it's sick. Yeah, people are not getting in the way of this.
Nobody knows what's going on. You know, like. You're gonna see in the sun when this color, bro. This color, bro. Believe me, this color is crazy, crazy, crazy.
That's beautiful.
So this is like right up his street. Right up his street. Come on. Bradley, how many have you got? How many have you got? You got the Tahoe.
You don't even ask about your
Because I
new
was
car,
still
mate.
like-
Come on. You've sat in a new car.
I know.
Even towards the end, guys, look what's still left. Even towards the end, look. Oh
Just
my
battling Pokémon
fucking
on
god,
fucking live.
Bradley. How have you cooked again? From towards the end. Towards the end, you still cooked. Fucking hell, I will. Whenever I finish, I'll rate you, boss. Yeah, no worries. Bradley has promised us some ribs. Bradley, if you don't give us these ribs, yeah, you've absolutely freaking cooked. Honestly, you've absolutely cooked. Shots
I know what
Yes.
they just big you up all the time. You're like a fucking god in
I
a
can't
Pokémon
deal. I can't deal. How? Bradley! Oh my god. I'm gonna price up tomorrow how much you've made in total. I cannot wait to price it. I'm gonna let you know.
Come on.
I'm gonna let you know. Fucking hell, Tina. Jesus Christ.
Time
So lucky,
to
it's fine.
go
We have to
see
leave it.
car.
White dot, I'm
See
blind.
you
Right, okay.
soon. BRB.
Right. Oh my god, 2 chases I know already. The Alakazam is a chase.
Well, tell me then.
Work out what the last lap is.
I got all the good ones, so there we go.
Let's go to see this color now, bro.
Okay.
So small. 1 second, I put here.
Man, honestly, like, it's a million times better than I expected. This is fucking delicious. I've just bought it. Just a bit of getting used to, that's all. Beep, beep, little bike.
Put your big lights on, flash them up.
Then he jumped from scooter.
Actually, that's kind of me though.
Okay guys, so we've just finished taking it for a test drive. It's midnight now. We're gonna come back and see this in the day. But it's fucking stunning. I'm very, very happy. It smells like it's been running and I love it. Okay guys, day number 2. So obviously last night we went to go see the beast and today we've come to pick it up just to test drive, make sure everything is as is. And I think it's fair to say that it is. So let's go inside. She's a bit noisy at the moment. Full leather interior, cream interior. She's just quieting down now. Beautiful, beautiful spec. Top of the line, all bells and whistles. A little bit of juice there or something, we'll get that out of that. I don't know what else to say. Fucking sick, to be fair. I'm very, 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 very happy. There we go, a little clean of the windscreen wipers.
Where she go, I'll never know if friends bounce to. I guess it's their loss, they'll never know what we'll amount to.
But yeah, 3 years ago, couldn't afford my rent, couldn't afford to put fuel in the car, let alone buying these cars.
Now you're on your second custom.
Now, second one. We have the F8 next to us there, which is a nice feeling.
Novelty's worn off though, you need to new dopamine.
Just need a fucking helicopter and jet next and a boat. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, where are you? You at home or work?
At work?
Oh, are you ready for me to show you something?
Go on, Mom.
Right. So obviously, I have this. Yeah. Do you want to see my new car?
No. Come on, have a look, Braggley.
If you want, yeah. Are you ready?
Get my specs on.
You ready?
Ready? Yeah. Oh, what is it?
Brabus G Wagon. Look at the size of it compared to Ferrari.
Oh, God, like a tank.
Like a tank.
Is it like a truck with them truck ones?
Yeah.
Lovely.
I like it.
Yeah. Big.
Yeah, it's massive.
Yeah, we're golden, baby, yeah, we're golden. Yeah, about to see us shine, we're golden. They can't ever put us down, we're golden. About to see us glow, we're golden. We're golden. Yeah, about to see us shine. La, 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 wait till I get my money right.
I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I awoke, I spent that on a necklace. I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven.
This is my
when
car.
I awoke, I spent that on a
Fucking
necklace.
get out of the way, cunt.
I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard not